Hello everyone. Today in this video, let's learn about why do we need random variables and probability distribution. Like what is the use case of these two? Earlier in my previous videos, I already explained what is meant by a random variable and what is meant by probability distribution. Now I'm just going to explain what are the use cases of it. For example, you may be heard of questions like this. What are chances of getting a number that is 4 or higher when rolling a die? So to answer this question, I would say, first of all, I'll note down all the possible outcomes. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So out of these, just concentrate on the question. That is, he just wants to understand what are the chances of getting a number that is 4 or higher. So when I say 4 or higher, so it would be these three, like 4, 5, 6. So we have to calculate all the individual probabilities of each and every number among 4, 5, 6, and we have to sum it up. For example, P of 4 would be 1 by 6, P of 5 would be 1 by 6, P of 6 would be 1 by 6. So now we have 1 by 6 multiplied by 3. Now that we have 2, so it is 0.5. So the probability of getting 4, 5, 6 is nothing but 0.5. So with the help of this probability distribution, like the basic formula for this probability distribution is nothing but sum up all the individual probabilities of all possible outcomes. So based on this formula, we can answer such kind of questions. So I mean to say, these random variables as well as the probability distributions are very useful in measuring uncertainty. When you say uncertainty, this word, that is, what are the chances of getting? We don't even know what are the chances of getting 4 or even higher numbers. So this unknown thing is nothing but an uncertainty. If I say what are the chances, so it is asking about like how confident you are or how much confident that you will get 4 or the higher number. This particular unknown thing is nothing but an uncertainty. So probability is mainly used to answer uncertainty. In specifically, random variables and probability distribution are pretty much useful in measuring this uncertainty. Like how uncertain is this? So by assigning numbers to the outcomes and organizing probabilities, random variables and distributions will always let us know, predict, and measure randomness. So basically, with the help of this random variable and probability distributions, we can always measure this uncertainty as well as we can measure some randomness. And apart from this thing, how probability distribution and random variables are actually related to machine learning. So these two are actually the building blocks of machine learning. So we have machine learning. If you want to understand concepts related to machine learning, you have to understand random variable as well as probability distribution. How? I will answer this. For example, using this random variable and probability distribution in machine learning, we always do such kind of thing, that is probabilistic modeling, graphical models, and model selection.